Hello everyone. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. This is Yaya Sisterhood YouTube. And shout out to our friends from all over the world, supportive team, and supportive communities. Of course, our fantastic, awesome, amazing, magnificent members of Yaya Sisterhood YouTube channel. Don't forget to comment on this video, click like, share, and subscribe. So today, I have this zinc powder. Yan. I'm taking this every day after breakfast. And yan. What is zinc powder? Zinc powder provides essential vitamins and minerals to help build and repair your immune system. Kaya if you have this, it's good. Ayan. If not, yet you can try. And the dosage for this is 1 scoop of this zinc powder dissolved in a glass of water or as recommended by your health practitioner. Okay? So, yan. Let's take this zinc powder. Yan, meron na akong, I started last month for this one. So, kaya siguro tulog ako ng tulog. Oh, okay, yan. The scoop prepared. I actually already prepared my water here and yan. Nakapag-start na ako kanina. So, that's it. That's it. Yan. Yan. Ngayon, ilalagay natin. Solve natin. Let's dissolve in a glass of water. For me, I'm taking half a glass. Yan. Dissolve, dissolve, dissolve. Yan. Ha? Hello po. To all our viewers, subscribers, thank you for supporting. Yan. Try zinc powder. Yan. This is citrus flavor. Masarap. Yan. Sige. Halo-halo. Halo. Kamusta? Kamusta naman po ang lahat? Yan. Kamusta? Haluin natin ha. Yan. Haluin natin hanggang maka 10 minutes tayo. Joke. Halo-halo. Nanay Mang yan. May kalabay shoutout. Numero Mang yan. Mami C. Convergenatics. Just Cuters. Yahoo! Team Aisha Top. Mega Love shoutout. Ayan na. Ayan, Team All Star. Team Esther and Scott Ludwig. Inom-inom tayo po. Team BP. Awu. Team Malasakit Sir Bagwis. George's Kitchen. Loyalista. Bungot. Anthony Simple Vlog. BBJ. Kuya Kao. Channel. Yan, halo-halo. Mega love and shoutout, Izan. Ayan. Okay na ba to? So, if it's ready to drink, then let's drink this straight na. Parang tagay lang. Oh, Team Chidos. Nako. Nasabi ko lang tagay. Sis Rox. Team Chidos. Yahoo! Yan. Okay na ba? Okay. Mga kakolabs natin dyan. Mega love and shoutout. Ayan, 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 ayan. Inom na ba kayo? Okay na. Makaka 5 minutes na rin ako dito. So, ayan. Ready na ba tayo? This is the zinc powder. Lagay natin sa, yan. Zinc powder. Straight. Yan. Vitamins. Yan, ayan ay. Zinc powder. Yan. Zinc and calcium. Yan pala. Okay, let's drink. Oh, delicious. Tapos sabay tulog, no? Okay, once again, thank you for joining me today. I'll see you for more videos and stay tuned. Thank you. Enjoy.